Hello guys, I'm Amel Jazzy Dancer. I'm glad to see you and welcome to my dance channel Amel Jazzy Dance. I'm your belly dance teacher and today we're gonna be doing chest lifts, drops and chest circles like that. Okay, stay in front of the mirror, your feet at a shoulder distance and we lift chest rib upward, stretch diaphragm, no shoulders, no hips, you want to fix your hips, chest only. And now we drop chest, lift and drop, lift, drop, lift, drop. And now we repeat it with an accent, upward and downward, upward and downward, upward, downward and upward, downward. And now we move chest rib to the right and to the left, to the right and to the left, right, left, right, left. And I believe that you are doing very great, just like me. And now I'm going to show you next movement, chest circles, like that. Yes. It consists of 4 points. Up, left, down and right. Up, left, down and right. And stretch your chest up, left, down and left, right. Up, left, down and right. And then we do all 4 points together. Move it gently, tracing the circle counterclockwise. Yes, good job. And repeat the same circle in other direction, clockwise. Yes. And at the end of the lesson, I will show you dance combinations and you repeat after me. Chest up, down, 2 circles, clockwise. Up, down, 2 circles, counterclockwise. Then right, left, 2 circles, clockwise. And left, right, and 2 circles, counterclockwise. And every morning, go to my dance channel, switch on music and train and dance with me. Next lesson will be on Saturday at 6 p.m. Moscow time. Subscribe to my dance channel and don't miss my lessons. Thank you for watching. See you soon.